Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an app with Google's Firebase, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Firebase website at firebase.google.com. Click on Get Started to create a new Firebase project. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once signed in, click on Add Project to begin the project setup. Enter a name for your project in the provided field. You can choose to enable Google Analytics for your project, but it's optional. Click Create Project and wait for the setup process to complete. Once your project is ready, click Continue to navigate to the Firebase console. In the console, select Add App to choose your platform. Depending on your app, choose either Android, iOS, or web. Follow the platform-specific instructions to register your app. For Android, you'll need your app's package name and can also specify the app nickname and the SHA-1 certificate. For iOS, you'll provide the iOS bundle ID and can include your app nickname. For web, you will get a configuration snippet after selecting web. Download the configuration file for Android or iOS as prompted. For web, copy the Firebase configuration code to your project's HTML file. Next, set up your development environment. If building for Android, open Android Studio and create a new project. If using iOS, open Xcode and create a new project. For web development, choose your favorite code editor and create a new folder for your app. If you chose Android, place the downloaded Google Services.json file in the app folder. If using iOS, add the Google Service Info.plist to your Xcode project. Install the Firebase SDK for your platform. For Android, add the required dependencies in the build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to add Firebase dependencies in your pod file. For web, add the Firebase library links inside the head section of your HTML file. Initialize Firebase in your app. For Android, in your main activity, initialize Firebase with Firebase app.initialize app, this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.